The Navesink Twin Lights were built in 1862. Their purpose was to guide ships into the New York harbor. To prevent confusion with the Sandy Hook Lighthouse, located 5 miles north of Navesink, 2 towers were built. The North Tower light is octagon-shaped and the South Tower is square. The original Fresnel lenses were shaped like beehives. The North light was fixed and the South light rotated. Eventually, the U.S. Lighthouse Board assigned each lighthouse a unique flashing code pattern. In 1898, the original Fresnel lens in the South Tower was replaced with one of the largest bivalve Fresnel lenses ever produced. The lens was the first in the United States to be powered by electricity. The light in the North Tower was no longer used, but kept in place as a backup. In 1949, due to advances in technology, the lighthouse was no longer needed and decommissioned. The bivalve Fresnel lens is on display in the powerhouse.